Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online investment platform known as F&B investment platform. Okay, I have received some questions from people even in my previous video on the comment section. Boss, please can you help us review this platform? Can you check this platform for us if it is a reliable platform to invest in or not? Okay, that is the reason why I am now doing this video. For those of you who are interested in joining this platform, or for those of you who have invested your money in this platform already, please, this video is for you. It is very important you watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any line, because there are a lot of negative things which you don't know about this platform, hidden things you don't know about this platform. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to be exposing this platform hands down without any compromise. All you need to do is for you to watch this video from beginning to the end, so that at the end of this video you are going to know if this platform is a legit platform or a scam platform. But before we proceed, guys, my name is Sparking Media, and what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every blessed day on how to make money online with your smartphone. So if you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online but you don't know how you can be getting those updates that can pay you for real without even investing in anything, then worry no more, because Sparking Media got you covered. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos on how to make money online with your smartphone for free. Okay, it's totally free. Now in this video tutorial, I'm going to be talking about what is this F&B all about, and how does it work, how do you make money from this platform, and how do you withdraw money from this platform. And lastly, we'll be talking about if this platform is actually a legit platform or a scam platform in this video. Okay, what is F&B all about? F&B is an online earning platform, which is an online investment platform which claims that the user can purchase the VIP plan and then do the available task based on their invested capital or based on their purchased package. So this platform claims that once you are doing the base video task and the rest of them on the platform, you are going to be earning money every blessed day, and the amount of money you can earn depend on the capital invest with. For example, if you invest with higher capital, you will have higher earning interest. You have higher earning amount. Okay, if you invest higher, you earn higher. If you invest more, you earn small. Just like the law of supply and demand. That's how this platform works, guys. First of all, for you to start earning on this platform, you are required to be a registered and invested user. Not just to register. When you register, you are required to invest. Okay, and how do you invest? Now that brings us to how does this platform work and how do you make money from this platform. There are three ways you make money from this platform. Number one way you make money from this platform is through investment. Second way is through referrals. Okay, sorry, two ways, not three ways. Through referrals, investment, and referrals. So that's two ways you make money from this platform. Now you can see this option here, recharge. This is the option where you can recharge amount, and any amount you recharge, that is the amount you are going to use to invest. And then you can see this place here in VIP. When you click on their VIP, they have different packages you can invest with. So they have the junior position A2. They have the you can see per order you have 209 naira per order. That's per task. And daily task, they have three tasks. Daily work is 3 times, and then the deposit amount is 26,000 naira. And they still have another one, junior position. The amount you aim for this one is 515 naira. The 6 times, daily work 6 times, then the amount is 95,000 naira, and so on. They still have a lot of this thing. They have the senior, they have the they have a lot of packages, executive package, executive position, so many of them that you can purchase and invest with, just like I described earlier. The higher your investment capital, the higher the amount of money you are going to be earning every blessed day on this platform. And then how do you also withdraw is very simple. When you go back, you can see this. When you go home, you can see this option here to withdraw. You can see this place here to withdraw. So you can withdraw your money from this place here. So that is it, guys. You need to invest before you can withdraw. Okay, if you don't invest, you cannot withdraw. And then you invite your friends. When your friends are earning, please take note, it is when your friends invest, that is when you can earn. If they did not invest, you are not going to earn anything. Now that I have explained everything about this platform is just like AISNG an FCMB platform. For those of you who knows about those platform that claims to be e-commerce, and the end of the day, what happened? They ended up fading. So that is it, guys. So that is the reason why I say let me bring this one and then tell you people the gospel truth. Each and every one of you viewing this video should know about this platform. There are a lot of things you don't know about this platform, and that brings us now, if this platform a legit platform or a scam platform. Is F&B legit or scam? Now listen to me very attentively. This platform may appear legit to you, it may appear genuine to you, but you don't know the mystery behind this platform. It is we the online hustlers, we the online coach who have been into the system for a very long time. We know how all these things is, we know how they works, we know how they program those things. All these things you are seeing on this platform, it is what we call programming, and they use script to build this site. Programmer can program, they can program anything. Just tell them what you want, they will do it for you. So this thing you are seeing here is a Ponzi scheme investment platform. How many of you knows about SCI shop? How many of you know about SCI shop? One guy lost 10 million naira to that platform, the other lady lost 700k. People lost millions of naira from that platform, and I talked about that platform in this my channel. So you can go to my recent videos, you will see it there. Go to comment section, we see how people are crying, people lost their money, and in that video I told them the platform was a scam. And the same thing applies to this platform you are seeing here on your screen. And there are some things you need to understand when it comes to investment online. When it comes to investment platform, they have the one of long-term investment and they have the one of short-term investment. Now this platform you are seeing here is tricky. Do you know why I tell you that this platform is tricky? Now let's go back to the VIP. How can a platform tell you to invest 26,000 naira, you'll be getting 290 naira per order? I mean, what is that? What is that? You see this thing, they are trying to get you people tricked, but you don't know, because they know that they know this 290 naira order, you are not going to be satisfied with it. So for that, you will be forced to invest more. Whereas this platform is fake. This platform you are seeing on your screen is not real. It is 100% scam. I repeat, it is 100% scam. Be warned. However, I cannot tell you to join or not to join. So you can see how tricky this platform is, just like what SCI shop did to them. A lot of people, it's because they made the earning package small, and then some of them intend to last for a very long time. Oh, that's how they normally do it. They are doing it to gain trust. Once they gain trust from the investors, boom, they crash, they pack the money and run. And now the question you should be asking yourself, where is the location of this platform and who is the owner of this platform? Have you seen him face to face? Have you seen him one-on-one? Have you shake him before? If you see him now, can you recognize him? Perhaps if anything happens to this platform, somebody will be held accountable. But if anything should happen now, who are you going to hold accountable? Nobody. So that is the reason why each time I am making a review on a particular platform, I'm always saying that you should do what? Research. Don't just say because of this one is withdrawing, this one withdraw 1,000, this one withdraw 200,000, this one withdraw 1 million. Because of that, you want to invest, you want to invest. At the end of the day, what happened? They lure you to invest in your hard-earned money. At the end of the day, they make away with it, and there is nothing you can do about it. There is nobody to trace, nothing. And one thing you must know, that each time you are depositing your hard-earned money into this platform, your money is going directly into the CEO's account. Please take note. So therefore, he can withhold your money, and there is nothing you can do. So stop investing blindly. Before you invest, check online reviews, check feedback from other people, watch YouTube videos, use search engine, YouTube, Google. Do intensive research. Don't just say I want to invest. And you know this platform, when I say this platform is a Ponzi scheme platform, do you know what I mean by that? It means they rob Peter to pay Paul, which means they are using their new members' money to pay their existing user, their old existing user. Because as long as people keep joining this platform, and those the existing user have been there, who have been there, they are going to be using those new members depositing money. They are going to use it to be paying them, to keep the platform running, which makes it rob Peter to pay Paul. You see it now. So that is it, guys. I'm telling you guys the gospel truth. My name is Sparking Media. I've been into this online space for a very long time, and I know what is legit and I know what is scam. So if I see what is scam, I know what is scam. So don't be carried away with all these enticing packages this platform is presenting to you. No matter how enticing, how good it may look to you, is a scam. Just give it time. They will run and then crash. When I made video on SCI shop, Some people commented negatively against me, some said all sort of things, some criticized me. At the end of the day, what happened? What happened? Everything I seen on that video came to pass. So that's it. I'm not telling you this for you to like me or for you to hate me. This is just me. I like telling people the truth. It is left for you to make decision. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you to invest your money. I cannot tell you not to invest your money. But the most importantly is that you now know the truth. It is always good you know what you are venturing into. Take note, this platform is a scam platform and it can crash at any time. And if it crashes, there is nobody to hold accountable for it. You don't know the CEO, you don't know the location, and you are not the one in control of your money each time you deposited into this platform. Please take note. And all these things you are seeing on your dashboard are just normal numbers. It has been programmed to be reading that way, whereas your real money is inside the CEO's bank account. So take note of these things. I remain Sparking Media, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you'll be notified when I release new videos on how to make money. And again, check my latest videos. I've posted a lot of legit platforms that are paying people up to today on this my YouTube channel. So make sure you check and know the one that you can do and go and do those ones. They are legit. Even this morning, I've posted video that is platform that is legit and is even free. You don't even need to invest any money. Okay, so make sure to check some of my latest videos so that you can do legit business and earn good money for yourself. Okay, so as for this platform you are seeing here, I cannot tell you to invest. I cannot tell you not to invest. Most importantly, you now know the truth because I'm not a financial advisor. The truth remains that this platform is a Ponzi scheme investment platform and is a scam, and it can crash at any time. And if it crash, nobody to hold accountable. You will be the one to regret yourself. So that is it. Any decision you take, you are liable for it. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparking Media, and don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, use the share button to share it with others so that a lot of people will get to know the truth about this platform. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.